Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make mods in Mcreator on a Mac. Let's get right into it. Okay, so after we've opened Mcreator, we want to click on this plus symbol, and then first we're going to be making a Ruby. So that'll be an item. We're gonna call it the Ruby. Okay, first we're gonna be doing the texture. We're gonna be creating the texture from scratch using the Mcreator texture creator, and we're gonna be using this. Okay. Now instead of just making a normal one, we can get like a template. Okay, now we need to select all these textures. As you can see, these two are chosen, so we're going to click on this one, and I want it to be basically like an emerald. What is this? It's a gem. Let's see if there are any more gems. Oh, there are many. Let's make this our Ruby. Let's choose the same one here. Okay, now to change the color, we need to click on this one and then choose the color. Rubies are kind of red, so we're gonna just get a custom color. A little bit, yeah. Okay, we're gonna be getting let's try this. No, that doesn't look ruby-ish. Let's get somewhere closer to pink, somewhere here. A little bit more red we need. Kind of. Let's try changing this one. Put it somewhere around here. Let's try making this a little bit darker. Yeah, okay, we'll go with this one. Okay. Create. Okay, we have it now here. If you want, you can edit all these, use these and edit it, but I'm gonna just keep it like this. We're gonna save this texture. Let's just, okay, yeah, this is gonna be an item, and it's gonna be a Ruby. Let's say texture, Ruby texture. I guess we don't, yeah, I think it's because of the capital. There we go. Yeah. Okay, now we have saved. Now if we go back to our tab, we click on item texture. Here it is. Select. Okay, we're gonna keep it built in. And then information about the item, we're gonna say Ruby, and then we don't want it to glow like when you enchant something. We're gonna in-game name Ruby, rarity common. The creative tab, we're gonna keep it as MISC for now. We're gonna change it later. Yeah, and then enchantability 0. Yeah, we're gonna just keep all these. We're gonna keep it immune to fire. And then we won't be changing anything here or here. Okay, we'll be saving this mod element. Okay, there we go. That's our Ruby. Now we can close this tab. And now we'll be creating a new element, and that's going to be the Ruby ore. So we click here, we click on block, and we're going to call the Ruby ore. The Ruby ore. Okay. First we're gonna be okay, for all these textures we're gonna keep it the same, just like an emerald texture or something like that. So create texture. Okay, now we just need to generate from template. Then we're gonna keep the texture as the emerald ore. Okay, that's the block. Let's try ore. Okay. Let's keep it as this ore. Okay, now let's change the color to the red color we had. Okay, yeah, let's keep it like this. Let's make it a little bit lighter. Okay, yeah, perfect. Now let's create it. Okay. Now, okay. 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 We won't be changing anything here. Okay, properties. We're gonna keep it as I guess we'll keep it as rock. Inventory tab, we're gonna keep it as misc for now. Hardness, okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, custom drop. We wanted to drop the ruby. Okay, drop amount. We're gonna keep it as 1. Okay. 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 We're not going to be changing any of these. No particles for sure. No redstone. Okay, yeah. Okay, we're not going to be changing any of these. And none of these. Okay, here. Now we're going to allow it to spawn in the surface. Okay, it can replace rocks. Restriction biome, we're not going to be keeping any. We're going to keep it as 10. Okay, generation height. Okay, we're going to save this. There we go. I wanted it to be transparent. I wanted it to just look very outstanding. I wanted it to stand out. Yeah. Okay. Then we're gonna be creating a biome. Actually, before that, we'll be creating the creative tab, like tab in creative. So we're gonna call it the Ruby mod. Okay, we're gonna keep the icon as the Ruby texture. Source code for yes. Okay, we're gonna save it. There we go. That's our tab. Now we want both of these items to be inside that tab. So if we just open it and go to properties, and here we want to select it as custom Ruby mod, and then we're gonna save it, and then same thing for the over. Okay, now we're going to be making the biome. We're going to call it Ruby land. Okay, ground block, we're going to keep it as this Ruby ore for now. And then underground block, we're also gonna keep it as the Ruby ore. We might change it. Okay, we're gonna keep this all at default. Air color, grass color, foliage color means like the leaves. And the, yeah. And then the water color, okay. Waterfall color. Okay. Okay. We're gonna keep these all like this. We're gonna keep it no frozen top layer. I don't want any frozen top layer. Okay. Then structures. No, I don't want any structures here, except some villages. Let's keep it as a plain village. Okay. Then effects. Non biome generation. Okay. Biome category, we're gonna leave it empty. Biome parent is like what it spawn next to. I'm just gonna leave that empty. Biome dictionary types, I'm also gonna leave that empty. Okay, yeah, we're gonna save it. Okay, now we want to create a Ruby block. Okay, now we want to create a texture. We're gonna use the emerald texture. Okay, we're gonna keep it as this. Okay, yeah, create it, save this texture, block Ruby underscore block. Okay, now we're gonna go back to this tab and then select the texture. for all of these. Okay. Block model, yeah, okay. We're gonna keep all these the same. Block item texture, we're gonna keep it as same. So we're not gonna change anything. We're not gonna change anything here. Properties. Okay. Rock, okay. It's already set to custom Ruby mod. Hardness, okay. Custom drop, yes. We wanted to drop a. Actually, no. We're gonna make it drop itself. Actually, drop amount 1. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We're not going to be changing anything here. Nothing here either. Wait a minute. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing here either. Nothing here. Oh, here. Dimensions, we're going to leave it as surface. And then we're gonna. Actually, we're not gonna let it generate anywhere because we want it to be made. Okay, so we don't want anything. We don't want it to generate at all. So we're gonna now save it. Okay. Now we can close both of these. Okay. Now we're going to be creating a dimension and the recipe for the Ruby block. Okay, first we'll go with the recipe. So we want to go here and then Ruby block. Oh yeah, Ruby block recipe. Okay. Now we're not going to be changing any of these. We're going to be making the crafting. So we want everything to be emerald. I mean the ruby. Okay. Now we want to make the output a ruby block. We only wanted to give one. Okay, we're gonna save it. There we go. And now we're gonna be making a dimension. Okay. Now we wanted to generate like a normal world, not like the end, like having different islands, or like the nether having lava everywhere. So we're gonna just make it like the normal world. And the main pillar block, we're gonna keep it as the emerald block. And fluid, we're gonna keep it as water for now. And then biomes, we're gonna keep it as Ruby land. We're gonna keep it this as default. We're gonna allow it. We're not gonna make it like bed explodes or deny it. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that'll be it. Now we'll just save it. Okay, as you can see, there's an error because we didn't go through any of these. So we need to make the portal frame block. We're gonna make that as the Ruby block, and then the particles, we're gonna keep it as lava. Okay. Portal igniter, we're gonna keep it as this. We're gonna name it as this. Item tab, we're gonna keep it as custom Ruby mod. Okay. Item texture, we want to create a texture. Create, and we want to generate it from template. And then we're gonna make it look like the flint and steel. It's not there. Let's try just scrolling down through these just to check if it is there, and it's not coming. Nope, it doesn't look like it's here. So we're just gonna create a custom texture. Okay, now we want it to be a little bit reddish. Okay, now let's make it like this. Okay, now let's make it like this. I'm just making it the weirdest shape possible, and yeah, there we go. Okay, now we'll just color this in. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be it for now inside this one. Let's just make it. Okay, that just looks a little odd. Just remove that. Okay, we're gonna save this texture. Actually, we'll just add a stick to it, like a handle actually. Just like that. Now it looks like some candy or something. Okay, let's save this. We're gonna keep it as an item. We're gonna call it Ruby Portal Igniter. Igniter. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the Ruby dimension and keep the here in this one, and then the portal block, like the nether is purple, we're gonna keep it as this one. Okay, as you can see, the X is still here. It won't be updated when you fix it, so you'll just have to try. Let's save it. Okay, it worked. As you can see, we have our Ruby dimension. To run the mod, like test it in Minecraft, you want to click on this orange button right here, And if it's gray for you, that means like your launcher is open or something, so you want to close your launcher. You just want to wait for this to finish. Okay, now you can donate and export the mod, or export the mod without donating. So we're not gonna be donating. Okay. Now where do you want to save the mod file? We're gonna save it inside my desktop. Okay. Now that we have opened our desktop, now you want to type whatever you want to name it. We're just gonna call it mod. Ruby mod actually. Okay. Now you want to save it. Now if you go to your desktop, you'll see it on your desktop because I saved it here, rubymod.jar. And now you want to open your mods folder. For vanilla launcher, you just want to go up here and click on option on your keyboard and click on library, and then go to application support and find your Minecraft folder in here. In Windows, it'll be probably a .minecraft folder, and you want to in your folder app, you want to search %appdata%, and go to your .minecraft folder. And for anybody who uses T launcher, there's an easier way. Now if you go to the T launcher launcher, you'll see a folder icon right here. You want to click on it, and it opens your Minecraft folder. So this is way easier than finding it. Okay, now after you've opened it, you want to click on mods and then drag your mod into there, and now you want to run Minecraft. And that's it for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Blue Creeper out.